Ever sit there just scrolling on your phone and thinking, damn, I wish this made me money instead of me just scrolling and wasting my precious time? Well, today I'm breaking it down. I'm going to show in this video how you can make money using just your phone. I'm going to share real simple, easy steps that you can actually start today. And I'm also going to show you a tool that I used that helped me to get started. Tip number one is sell digital product. Information is money nowadays. You can put together an ebook, or you can also sell PLR, that is private label resell. Private label resell, you don't have to write the ebook yourself, but you can resell other people's one. Number two, selling affiliate product. If you don't have your own product, never to worry. Affiliate marketing is the in thing. You promote other people's products and services, you get paid. If you are the kind of person that you take flights or there are some services that you use out there, have you tried to find out if they have an affiliate program? Do you know if they do and you sign up, you could be earning money by promoting those products and services, and you get paid a commission? You can start with ClickBank affiliate marketing platform, Digistore24 or Amazon. So go to this platform, sign up for affiliate program and start promoting. Anybody that uses your link to buy the product, you get paid your commission. Very simple and easy, all using your phone. So my tip number three is making sure you use apps that pay you. Yes, apps like Swagbox. When you use them, you get paid money. You don't have to use apps for free. Guys, there are so many apps out there that you can use and you get paid at the same time. And you put it together, where are you going to sell it? Promote your ebook using Instagram Reels or Facebook Stories. Very simple. Not only Swagbox, Inbox Dollars is another app that will pay you to use them. So with your phone, you can design a simple ebook. Head over to Canva. Canva have a lot of free templates that you can use if you want to use free ones, or you can sign up if you want. Now design it in Canva and go over to Gumroad or Payhip and start selling the ebook, all using your phone. There is what is called task-based apps like Gigwork, Field Agent, all of this. They also pay for you to use them. Let me quickly put this out there. These apps won't make you rich, but it is something that will be generating money for you while you build your digital empire. You know what I mean? So try all of this. The best part is you are using just your phone to earn money. My last tip, which is tip number 4, is using Fiverr, using Upwork to create content and help people. Put up a profile on these two platforms for micro task services. What this means is, if you put up a good profile of the skill that you have, people will hire you. And when they do, you will tell them how much you want to charge. You put it on your profile, and when people hire you to do these jobs for them, you get paid. With Upwork and Fiverr, you can also offer people to help them with their social media creations. These are one of these microservices that you can use these particular apps to offer to people. Not only social media services, you can also help people with voiceovers and simple editing. You know, there are so many people, they create content, but it's difficult for them to edit the content that they create. So all of these are things you can help people on these apps and you get paid. So having said that, if you're serious about making money online using just your phone, check out the Ultimate Side Hustle Guide on ClickBank. I'm going to be adding the link below. So this guide walks you through setting up your first income stream step by step. That is it all for today, guys. If you find value in this video, don't forget to give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video. Yeah, so I hope this helps. You're welcome.